the narrowest and most accurate Wicked Ridge crossbow ever. Meet the NXT 400.
Wicked Ridge NXT 400. 400 screaming feet per second. Thanks be to God.
American built by American workers. The NXT 400 provides a combination of width, speed, accuracy, and built-in cocking device that is unrivaled at its unbeatable price of $1099.99. An ultra-narrow 6 inches wide, the NXT 400 is designed by crossbow leader 10-Point and unleashes devastating speeds of 400 feet per second. With jaw-dropping kinetic energy and match-grade downrange accuracy.
Whitetail fix.
Out. The difference maker for this high-performance crossbow is its NXT bow assembly, built to provide more shot opportunities in tight situations. Its maximum rotation cam system fuels a devastating speed of 400 feet per second, while its vector quad cable technology utilizes 4 cables to keep the cams perfectly level for knock-breaking accuracy. The ultra-narrow bow assembly is mounted to our 21.5-inch tack-light aluminum barrel that reduces noise, weight, and vibration. Its lightweight stock is built with optimal comb height and length of pull, and is equipped with the AccuDraw. This built-in cocking device allows hunters of all ages to accurately cock the crossbow with only 5 pounds of effort. The NXT 400 is equipped with a T5 trigger that delivers a smooth, crisp 3.5-pound trigger pull for increased accuracy. Wicked Ridge crossbows are the safest on the market, boasting an unmatched combination of safety features, including our dry fire inhibitor and safety wings, which help keep the shooter's hand and fingers safely below the flight deck. When it's all said and done, this is one crossbow every hunter dreams of shouldering. Weighing 7.4 pounds, measuring 33 inches long, and shooting a supercharged 400 feet per second. The NXT 400 ships completely assembled, and its package includes the AccuDraw cocking device, 3 Power ProView scope, 3 carbon arrows, an integrated string stop system, and a quiver. Put your hard-earned money to work with Wicked Ridge, the only American brand offering technologically driven crossbows at unbeatable prices.
Introducing the world's lightest crossbow, the Wicked Ridge M370. Weighing in at just 5.8 pounds, shooting up to a blazing 370 feet per second, and measuring only 9.5 inches wide, the M370 is priced at just $669.99, making it the top crossbow value in 2020. Built to perform in the tightest of shooting situations, the M370 features a 9.5-inch wide, 180-pound bow assembly powered by VX5 reverse cams that elongate the power stroke and increase cam rotation to produce speeds up to 370 feet per second and same hole group accuracy. Better yet, the M370 is one of the quietest crossbows that money can buy. The M370 is available with 10-Point's patented built-in AccuDraw cocking device, which reduces the force required to cock the crossbow to only 5 pounds. The M370's air-light stock is engineered to make the crossbow extremely light, improve handling and maneuverability, and withstand minor impacts and years of hunting. Its fully integrated foregrip is backed up with elongated safety wings to help keep the shooter's hands safe during the shot, and a fully enclosed trigger guard provides added safety. The stock also features an accessory rail mounted just below the front of the barrel. Best of all, the Wicked Ridge M370 is built right here in America and is backed by 10 Point's limited lifetime warranty and the industry's best customer service. Pre-sighted at the factory, the M370 is dipped in peak camo pattern and is equipped with either the AccuDraw crank cocking device or rope sled. The ready-to-hunt M370 package includes a 10-point multi-line scope, 3 Alpha Nock arrows, and a quiver.
The most affordable decocking crossbow on the market. Meet the Raider 400 Decock. Starting at $749 and built in America, the Raider 400 Decock shoots 400 feet per second, is equipped with a lighted scope, and is one of our lightest Wicked Ridge crossbows ever at 5.8 pounds. The Raider is available in 2 different options. For those looking for safe decocking, the XS stock with AccuDraw Decock is the way to go. Forget shooting your arrow at the end of the hunt. Forget carrying a target to discharge your bow. Forget damaging arrows from discharging your bow. Silent, simple, and safe, the AccuDraw Decock allows you to silently cock the crossbow with an easy 5 pounds of force and safely decock the crossbow by back-winding the handle. If you don't take a shot, push the decock button and safely decock the crossbow with the built-in AccuDraw Decock. While decocking, you can remove your hand from the handle at any point and it will stop in its place, eliminating the potential of injury or damage that may occur with other decocking systems on the market. Or, if you're looking for stock versatility and adjustability, the tactical stock with an AR-style adjustable buttstock locks in 6 positions and allows for up to 2.5 inches of adjustability. The tactical stock is packaged with a rope sled for easy cocking and to manually decock your crossbow. The D1 trigger is a 2-stage, zero-creep design that includes a DFP dry fire prohibitor and delivers a consistent, crisp 3.5-pound pull. The Raider 400 Decock is finished in Peak XT camo, and his package includes a lighted scope, the AccuDraw Decock or rope sled, 3 match 400 carbon arrows, and a quiver. While all other affordable crossbow brands require a world map to show you where they are built, we know that now, more than ever, nothing beats an American-built crossbow with superior features. Wicked Ridge Crossbows, built right here.
Introducing the fastest Wicked Ridge forward draw crossbow ever, the Invader 400. The Invader 400 represents the latest evolution of our best-selling Wicked Ridge Invader model, shooting up to an incredible 400 feet per second and featuring the lighted 10-point ProView scope. Starting at just $569.99, it offers an incredible performance-to-value ratio for the budget-minded hunter. Built to perform in the tightest of shooting situations, the Invader 400 features a 15-inch wide, 185-pound bow assembly powered by 5S machined cams that elongate the power stroke and increase cam rotation to produce speeds up to 400 feet per second and same hole group accuracy. The Invader 400 is available with 10 Point's patented built-in AccuDraw cocking device, which reduces the force required to cock the crossbow to only 5 pounds, or the built-in AccuDraw 50 cocking device, which reduces the draw weight by 50%. The Invader 400's unique stock design is engineered to lighten the crossbow to just 6 pounds and improve handling and maneuverability in the field. Its fully integrated foregrip is backed up with elongated safety wings to help keep the shooter's hands safe during the shot, and a fully enclosed trigger guard provides added safety. The stock also features an accessory rail mounted just below the front of the barrel. Best of all, the Wicked Ridge Invader 400 is built right here in America and is backed by 10 Point's limited lifetime warranty and the industry's best customer service. Pre-sighted at the factory, the Invader 400 is dipped in peak camo pattern and is equipped with either the AccuDraw or AccuDraw 50 cocking device. The ready-to-hunt Invader 400 package includes a 3-power ProView lighted scope, 3 Alpha Nock arrows, and a quiver.
Who says that a budget-friendly crossbow has to be made in China? Introducing the Blackhawk 360 from Wicked Ridge Crossbows. Priced at just $399.99, this is the lowest priced American-made crossbow on the market today. It's built to put meat on your table. Born and bred in the US, it's just like you. Hunts hard to get the job done and is proud to be American. Built for success in tight hunting situations, the Wicked Ridge Blackhawk 360 features a 15-inch wide, 175-pound bow assembly with 11-inch WRX limbs powered by heavy-duty machined 5S cams that elongate the power stroke and increase cam rotation to produce speeds of up to 360 feet per second with unmatched downrange accuracy. The Blackhawk 360's unique stock has been engineered to lighten the crossbow to just 6 pounds overall, making it one of the lightest crossbows on the market and very easy to maneuver in the field. Its fully integrated foregrip is backed up with elongated safety wings to help keep the shooter's hand safely below the bowstring's path during the shot, and a fully enclosed trigger guard provides additional safety. The stock also features a Picatinny rail below the front of the barrel to mount additional accessories. The Blackhawk 360 features 10 points ultra crisp 3.5-pound trigger along with 10 points DFI, dry fire inhibitor, which protects the crossbow from damage if it is fired without loading an arrow. Upon easy one-bolt assembly, the advanced design measures an easy-to-handle 35 inches long. The Blackhawk 360 has a tactical black stock and peak camo limbs. The Blackhawk 360 is pre-sighted at the factory for 20 yards, and at the price point of just $399.99, it's not just the crossbow, it also includes a package. The package includes our 3-power multi-line scope, 3 Wicked Ridge aluminum arrows and quiver, and the rope cocker. With the Blackhawk 360's American-made quality, out-of-the-box accuracy, and world-renowned customer service from 10 Point, this is by far the best crossbow on the market for under $400. Check it out at 10pointcrossbows.com and stop into your local dealer to test shoot the new Blackhawk 360 from Wicked Ridge Crossbows.